Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about the interval. So now I want to show you how to answer. Question A. We need to find the function f of s is greater than number 0. So if we want to find f of s is greater than number 0, the function that should belong of this area in here. So that is about this one, and this one. So the answer for this one that should be about, we see that this is about negative number 1, negative number 2, negative number 3. So we have from negative number 3 to negative number 1. And from number 0 to number 2. And we see that this is about number 4. And they go to positive infinity. And this is the answer for question 8. Question B, smaller than number 0, so they should be go in here. So we have negative infinity to negative number 3. The next one, negative number 1 to number 0. And the next one from number 2 to number 4. This is the end. Thank you for watching.